Windows 98. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's episode, I have Windows 98 running on a Dell Optiplex 755. It's much newer than the computer itself, or much newer than the OS itself. Sorry, with my big ass finger in the way. The Vienna sausage in your way. Pause. Plugging in this port charger here. Just so we don't lose power. Oh, come on, douche. Asshole. Thank you. I will tilt the screen here so you can see what I'm doing. So right now, I use my real password for this. Ultra secure. I'm trying to here. I have motherboards and stuff down, like projects down the line, but right now, I have okay, so I really need graphics cards, like two graphics cards, or one graphics card, and two actually for the one for this one too. So I can play graphics on the 98 piece on the. This is what we're gonna call this. We're gonna call this. The monitor Windows 98 PC, quote unquote monitor version. And the cool thing is, it registers wireless mouses. So that's pretty dope. It actually utilizes USB for some crazy reasons. Now, I just wanted to do this because I want to show you what I'm going to do. And you're probably wondering, Aiden, why would you do this? Well, don't worry, I didn't wipe the hard drive in here. I'm using FreeDOS and MS-DOS and a USB stick. I made MS-DOS with Rufus, not FreeDOS, but MS-DOS. Yeah, I made that I used Rufus. Oh yeah, PowerOS is right here. So this is the USB stick I use. This is like the, and for my cases, we get the error, the PowerOS thing, and it's the whole drive. I like the fact that the Rufus logo shows. Yeah, so. Yeah, this is a whole install on a USB stick. I finally got this done. But in today's episode, we will be doing a couple things, right? This USB has 64 gigabytes. I don't know if this would, Roundlum 98 registers the full 64 gigs. I'm gonna be very real, and perhaps down the line we'll do a lot of things. Like before, in the beginning of the video, I said we're gonna have a graphics card in here, right? At like a 528 meg ReRAM graphics card. We might be able to get internet on here, maybe or maybe not with that one, but we could try in the video perhaps down the line once I get the components and stuff. Oh yeah, you see that right there too. That's an old JVC set. Down the line, I'll do a review on that too. Down the line, just be prepared. But first, I gotta make a whole playlist. It's gonna be called the Free Dell Optiplex 755 Windows 98 PC. Yeah, ultra long name. Anyway, oof. You see here the sensitivity's pretty high. I don't know if you noticed that already. How long has it been now? A beautiful 2 minutes. I mean, ranting. Let me do something real then. I don't really have anything right now, but I'm trying to get some software. This is my sweater. Nothing crazy. Wrong thing. That's my clothes. I had it bring the living room and stuff, so I just need this thing to carry everything. So what I had to do a couple things. You're probably wondering, obviously you gotta use that DOS, but this doesn't really matter. I'm sure that's the 500 gig hard drive for some other crap. So I tried doing Windows. Initially, I was trying Windows 2000. This is the CD I'm actually playing. I can't see the name, but that wouldn't boot at all. It's because I figured it's NT based. Why the heck does it not work? And like you get what I'm saying, like it was NT based. So I figured, you know what? Maybe I could just boot, but no. It was about to load, but then it was unformatted in some type of way. So that might be something we could do in this video. We might be able to like upgrade the operating system on here. This has 98 right now, obviously. But another thing I had to do beforehand was remove 1 gigabyte of RAM. This is about 512 meg DDR2. So what I had to do, wondering, Aiden, why, if you're not really into tech or old Windows, you're probably like, Aiden, why the heck would you have to do that? Well, because I did some research, one little Google search later, and it told me that it needed 1 gigabyte, or maximum, that Windows 98 support was 1 gigabyte of RAM. So that might be a good reason to upgrade to Windows 2000. Of course, on the USB stick, of course. I'm not going to be wiping my main drive in here, because it has Windows 7 on it. Now, down the line, we might, because like I said, I was using, because Windows 98 depends on MS-DOS. FreeDOS didn't even work. Well, it's 95 then. This is 98, actually, surprisingly. Yeah. But I like the fact that it has a floppy drive here. Like, I like that. Oh, I'm about to click on like a dumbass. I like that, but then when you try to launch it, it's not accessible and it's not ready. Yeah. Oh my gosh, every time I go to click on something, see, like, you get this error message. Shit's annoying. Yes, asshole. Move. Move! And probably because I didn't install it correctly. Fuck my life. That's alright, we can deal with it. As long as it doesn't pop up when I'm doing the skull shit. Yeah, modem. We're totally gonna use a modem guy. Oh. Fuck me. Move! Password, I'm just seeing. So here's the thing. If you... on the display, right? You're like, okay, so the thing is, it doesn't have like a GPU or a GPU utilized. So it's on 16 colors. The 6440 is perfectly. Oh my god, 2 color. Is that black and white? Yes, that is black and white. We are not doing that. I'm sorry, we are not doing that. Okay, so jokes aside, though. All jokes aside, we're gonna look at other things though. Come on, every time I go to do something. It's registered to Mr. Marinara. Genuine Intel CPU. Next text is an x86, which is normal. When newer computers can see 1 gig of RAM, 995 megabytes available. Oh, this is SE. I thought this was like FE, like the first edition. This is SE, the second edition. Surprising. But anyways, if you didn't notice already, we got plug and play. Oh, is that good? Is that a good thing? Is that good? Let's see here. Is this, I guess, a PS2 mouse, actually. That's interesting, but it's not a PS2 mouse. I do have a PS2 keyboard. I could probably go with this. It's up here. I don't know if it will work on the other. It might. I might need a splitter of some sorts. Do we have a network adapter? I'm actually curious about this. Okay, we have a dial-up, so maybe we can, that gives me dial-up, so we can probably use Ethernet. Generic ID disk. Like that. We love it. Does it take my CD drive? It does. So we can, in theory, upgrade to Windows 2000, your mother's ass, using the CD drive, or DVD drive, or whatever. Okay, that's cool. Good to know. I have to go to the hardware course. But you know how like every Windows is standard display adapted just using average VGA field, and our version is not available, but it says it's working properly. I don't know, but like, there's no way to select the integrated graphics, right? So like that's a problem. Oh, obviously, it isn't going to be a problem until we get like the... But now that I think about it, with installing Windows 2K on here, corrupt Windows... Well, obviously, it's going to wipe 98 and change the whole thing, other than your personal files. But I don't know if we should now, because freaking heck, what if something goes wrong during the installation? Because I had a couple errors here with this one, too. So, I don't know. Telephony. Never heard of that, probably because I'm young as hell. Yo, come on. Every time I go to click on something. Stop it. Stop. Asshole. Like every time I go to click on any folder, this is what error this thing I'm moving around gives me the damn error message. I'm gonna see, and the crazy enough is, it's actually the correct timing right now. It's like 8:42. Maybe when I go click down here, I just give me the same error message. It's 8:42 p.m. Eastern time. It's September 24th, or 28th, sorry, 28th. That's right, it's just like said it wrong. But yeah, that's it. This is Windows 98 running on like modern or semi-modern hardware. I'm gonna say semi because this is not new now, but it's newer, much newer than Windows 98. So that's why I'm saying semi-modern. Does the keyboard work? Actually, that's a good question. It does. It does. You know what? For the heck of it, for the heck of this channel, actually, you know what? I have Whistler. I have codename Whistler. It's basically XP, but in beta. You know what I'm saying? And maybe we got an idea. We could do an upgrade saga right now. Let's get right into it. That's my idea for this video. So I got 3 things here. We got Windows 2K, Whistler, and XP. All 3. Now we're gonna do XP last. Whistler we're gonna do, or 2000 we're gonna do first. I'm sorry. Pop out the disk drive. Let's see if we can text it. Hope it does. Because like I said, I had to remove the RAM from Windows 98 to even run because if you don't know, like I said, all Windows OSs have. There you go. Damn, I thought it wouldn't work. Oh. Would you like to upgrade? No, we're not going to upgrade right now. I want to start explaining what's going on. So basically, as I was saying when I got shocked, I had to remove this, like I mentioned, it was 10 minutes, holy shit. I have funny story. It's alright. Had to remove that RAM, and basically, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't know. The problem is I'm a little hesitant. Like, I'm a little skeptical about upgrading because, like, I don't even know what's the right wording. Let me know in the comments. So please correct me if anything. Curse at me if you need to. Okay, so anyways, forget it. We can hit install Windows 2K, and we're gonna click that, and we're off. Upgrade, install a new copy. There is nothing on here. Should I upgrade? Or should I keep it OG? Shall I keep it OG? I'm so freaking hesitant now. Freaking skeptical about this. Alright, you know what? Can't move on. I'm sorry, Windows 2K. Completing. Okay, I can't do it, man. I can't risk. But as of right now, we're just kind of. You know what? Next video, I'll think about it for tomorrow's video. I'm gonna try to upload every Saturday and Sunday. Probably every Saturday and Sunday. This Saturday might come out. The Saturday's video might come out tomorrow, and then I'll upload the Sunday video tomorrow as well. As of right now, it's tomorrow. It's probably today, soon. But anyway, guys, that would be it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys I have Windows 9 X 98 basically installed on here. Subscribe, comment on this video, like the video if you want. Please subscribe. I'm trying to reach at least 500 subs so I can get monetization and all that. So please be considerate. And I know this might sound like an idiotic move, but please send me some dough on Cash App, because I got my cash card. Obviously all the stuff is on the back, but I can show you the front. You want to send money, this is my cash tag, Charles1111. And peace, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out, y'all. I didn't even know it's still going.